In this video, you will see how to copy, paste and cut in Windows 11. You may have got confused when you right click on the folder or a file. You don't see here copy, paste and cut option. Don't get confused, it's very easy. Let's get started. So first, to copy the folder or a file, right click on folder or a file and you will see here the option cut. You can use the cut option here or you can use the copy option here. You also have one more option to copy paste. Click on the show more options and you will see here copy option, just like Windows 10. Just copy, and when you want to paste the document or a folder, just right click and click on this small icon. As you can see, it has pasted the folder. The shortcuts for copy, paste and cut are on the screen. Click on that like button to tell YouTube this video is useful, and don't forget to subscribe and press that bell notification icon to learn more tips and tricks quickly like these.